Hi there, and welcome back to the Today We Craft channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make really simple over-the-shoulder bags. You'll need templates, which you can download from our website. I've left a link in the description below. 2 fat quarters of fabric. I have a nice woolly one for the outside and a cute autumnal one for the liner. 54 inches of tape, which we're going to be covering with the outer fabric and using as our strap. Some scissors or a quarters roller cutter. Some thread. A button or some way of fastening the bag, and of course a sewing machine. Start off by cutting strips of fabric 3 inches wide. You might need to sew several pieces together in order to get one piece 54 inches long. Fold this over the webbing, making sure all raw edges are covered. Give it a press and pin to secure before running through the sewing machine. Sew another line parallel to the first one to even out the stitches and to add strength. Take template A and place it on the fold of your fabric, before using scissors or a roller cutter to cut out. Repeat this with your lining fabric. Add template B so that it matches up with the dotted edge. Use tape or a stapler to attach the 2 templates together. Then, making sure that you cut out on the fold, cut out another piece of outer and liner fabric. Place your 2 pieces of outer fabric together and secure with pins. And then sew, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Repeat this for the lining fabric, before trimming off any excess fabric. If you'd like to decorate your bag lid, now's the time to do it. Try using an iron-on patch or a plié design. I've just decided to use a big button. To assemble the bag, turn the lining fabric inside out and then insert into the outer fabric. The right sides of both the liner and the outer should now be facing each other. Take the strap and ensuring it isn't twisted and that the neat side is on the outside of the bag. Roll it up and slide it into the bag between the top layer of outer fabric and the top layer of liner fabric. Arrange your straps so that they are either side of the bag opening and pin to secure. We want to leave an opening at the top of the bag, so using a pencil, mark an area as wide as your hand. Pin all the way around the opening. Now we're going to sew all the way around the edge, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This can be a little bit tricky, so take your time, there's no need to rush. Then it should look like this. Start off by pulling the liner out of the main bag and then inserting your hand, pulling everything through the gap. The liner back into the bag, making sure that you push out all the seams. Fold the opening in on itself and pin to secure. Now sew all the way around this top edge. If you like, you can also top stitch this seam. If, like me, and you're using a button, lay it on the bag in its final position. Use a pencil to mark the centre point of where the button is going to sit. Lay your button above this point and put another marker indicating how big your buttonhole needs to be. Make sure these marks are centralised before drawing your vertical line. Most sewing machines have an automated buttonhole setting. Check your instruction manual for how to use yours. Use a pin or a pencil to indicate the lowest part of the buttonhole, and sew your button at this location. And that's your bag finished. If you want to make your bag larger or smaller, just change the size of your printed templates accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification to find out when we release new videos. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it massively helps out the channel and makes my mum really proud. See you next time!